Hello everyone, and welcome you all to another chapter of Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. So now we are on our chapter number 4 and we'll be learning about leveling and manually balancing your audio. And I'll also be telling you guys how you can do it in auto mode. Okay, so the AI in this Adobe Premiere Pro will do that basically for you. Okay, so it is designed in such a way. So using auto, it will just read that particular audio and it will balance it accordingly. So let's not waste time here and let's get started with this chapter. So here you guys can basically see I'm in my workspace of Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so from here I will take my playhead here and you guys can see the audio here. Okay, so basically here I do have my audio. Okay, so if I just play, you guys can see the audio here. So what I'll be doing is I will be adjusting this one. So the first thing what I can do is to adjust my audio is I need to click here, okay, as I have selected this one. And from here, as you can see, I do have this arrow, so I can basically just increase its size from here, okay. So here you guys can see I do have my audio, and here you can see a thin line basically here, okay. So this is how I can decrease the audio, okay. So I can decrease the audio like this. So I can decrease the audio, and if you have opened any audio or have worked with that, here you can see you will be able to see like this. Okay, so here you can see my volume level is on. That means that I have done something with the audio here. And here, if I want to mute my track from here, I can just click on this. And now if I play my video, I don't have any audio as I have muted. So now again, I do have my audio here. As I have made changes in the decibel, I'm not able to hear properly. So from here, I'll put it like this. Now let's play this one. Okay, so I'll play this from here. Okay, so as you can see, this one is quite less, and I will break this on each one. So here you guys can see my voice or this particular audio is increasing here. So this is one way of doing this. Okay, and here is the voiceover record. Suppose with any kind of video I want to give any voiceover record. In that case, I can come here with my playhead and I can come to this particular part. And if I just select voiceover, here you can see. Hello, 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 one, two, three, hello, hello, hello. So here you guys can see that. So I'm just waiting for the preview of what it will show. Hello, 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 one, two, three, hello. Hello. So there you guys can hear what I'm saying. Okay. Basically from here you guys can see that. I will just disable this one and I can just place it anywhere wherever I want. Okay. So this is one way that you can give voiceover as well. Okay. So these are keyframes option. We'll be looking into this later. And here the mute option if I want a solo track, and the solo track option also, as I do have some voice here. So here now if I play, here you can see I can just mute one side. Okay, so I have muted this side, the left channel, and now I will mute the right panel here. Okay, so as you can see, we guys can do that, and now I do have the both panels. So this is one way of how we can do that. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood how you can actually play around with your audio here, and you can actually move this around. And if you want to see those properly, you guys can do that as well. So I'll just go back here. Okay, I have did some changes in the audio here. If I bring this voice over here and I'll click on plus, so here you can see I do have the voiceover. So I'll select this particular voiceover from here and I can basically manage this one. Okay. So as I was telling that I can also do just by using this option from here. Okay. So I will come here and I do have the audio gain option. So if I want to put in any particular decibel, I can come here and click. Suppose I want it in minus 6 decibel. Okay, so I will click on OK, and here you can see I do have this one in minus 6. Okay, so here you guys can see this is at by like minus 6 decibels. Okay, so we guys can do all of this here, okay, manually. And also if I want to change anything automatically, in that case, first I'll come here. Okay, I'll just drag this one this side, or with my hand tool. Okay, I will just drag this one. So I will just drag this. So I do have something here. But what I'll do is with my razor, I'll just keep a cut. I'll cut here. And maybe I will select my selection tool. I'll select this one and also this one at the same time. Okay. Or both of this like this. And I will delete these layers. And now I can join this particular layer here. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have joined this particular layer. And now what I'll do is I'll come to this option here. Okay, I'll go to the Windows option. And from Windows option, I'll be taking out the so from Windows, go to the Essential Sound option. And here you can see the Essential Sound option is just opening beside the Lumetri color. So here you can access both of this. And from here, where I'll go is I'll go to the dialog option. And in dialog, you guys can see there are different options. Okay, clarity and so many things here. Okay, so like this, I'll go to the loudness option, and from here, I will just click on auto match. So just look into my these sound waves here. Okay, when I click on auto match, here you guys can see the change. Okay, so this is how it actually changed. So let me just play and show you guys. So now this one is fine. Okay, and if I again click here, it is just back to its original. So here again, I'll do the auto matching, and here you can see the change in the spike as well. And I can come here as well, go to the dialog option, go to loudness, and I will auto match. Oh, I have not selected this one. Okay, so from here again, auto match. And yes, you guys should not do that as I was here, but I was working here in this particular panel. So I will select this, go to dialog and click on auto match. And here now you can see this particular audio here. I'll just play
Hello,
this.
hello, hello. 1, 2, 3.
So this is how it will be. Okay, so this is how you can actually automate or automatically increase or decrease the volume. So the AI is doing it for you here. Okay. So hope to see you all in the next class where we'll be learning about how you can add a text or a lower third. So lower thirds are basically some kind of titles or something here you guys can put. So basically the sides you guys can put some lower thirds. Okay. So we'll be showing how you can add text in this particular areas. So take care everyone and goodbye.